these are 25 LED solar outdoor lights. Now, special thanks to the company for sending this one to me. You can see down here, heat resistance, waterproof, and frost resistant. It's important. 2 pieces. The side, there's 3 brightness lighting modes, 2 installation options, and the power source is solar powered and USB charged. The default mode of the product is off mode. Make sure you turn it on. Make sure to turn on the switch before use, and of course, let it charge a little bit. It's kind of what you could expect. Solar spotlights outdoor create a bright ambience, which we have a few of these now, so I think we can put this one to use as well. Down here's the specifications. You can see the length, 6 by 4 by 12. They are 100 lumens in low light mode, 200 lumens in medium light, and 500 lumens in high light mode. And it has built-in rechargeable 2500 milliamp battery, and the power source is again solar or USB. Battery life is 8 to 25 hours. And the waterproof is IP68, and it does have an ambient light sensor, so that means it has to be dark for it to actually light up. So let's go ahead and open these up. Ooh, look at all this stuff. Got a micro USB cable, helpful. Got screws and stuff for mounting. Even got a little included screwdriver. Another USB-C type cable. More screws. Wow, so these are a little different. Okay. We got these. And these are actual poles that go in the ground. Then we got a little user's guide. And 1 solar light. And that's it for the box. And so, as we take a look at these, there's your 25 LEDs. Got 10 here, 13, 16, and this actually is very nice. You got a power button here, and here is that USB port, the USB-C type port for charging these. So I love that, and it looks like to put these together, you actually take this part and apply it to here like so, and then you take one of these and string it through. And so it looks like you can attach this onto here and mount it directly with these two. So, you know, you could mount this in some kind of way like that without the stick, or you can take the stick, put in here, and mount it the traditional way. So we're gonna go outside and figure out some way to mount these things, whether it's in the ground or not. All right, so because of me having no light on this side of my house, I'm gonna put one here facing this direction, and then another one here facing this direction to kind of light up this whole area. So I'm gonna start with screwing these in the fence post right here. There we go, first one's in, and the second one's in. So now you literally take the grooves here, and the grooves here, find the position you want, and feed through your little bolt. There we go, first one's on. Bolt is tightened all the way. Now we'll put this one on, and there we go. Now both of these are powered on in mode 1, so they should be charging, and then tonight we'll see what they look like. Now these do have 3 different modes. So the first one is highlight mode, and then if you press it again, it goes a little lower to medium light, and then low light, and then off. So we're gonna put this one, oh, we're actually gonna put it on high as well. So both of these are on highlight mode. You can see now that that motion light went out. That's about how much light it is putting off for us. And over here, it's doing the same for the right side. So pretty nice. I like them.